am at 2205 Belleair Road in Clearwater, getting ready to do a walkthrough of Unit A22. But let's walk straight through to one of the amenities of the complex itself, and that would be the pool. The Unit A22 is right there to the right as we come back to it. We're going to go look at the pool at the moment. And the pool is up here. It's got a spa to the left, hot tub scenario, large size, and an actual swimming pool component on the right. That's right straight out the building itself. Right from this part of the building here. We go back to the unit itself and tour inside. Mailbox is right there for your mail. And here we are at Unit A22. Inside, immediate left, we have the kitchen. New stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. And then right out of the kitchen, straight in the door, we have the larger dining room area with the sitting area where you would watch television or read. And then we have out to the back porch, which goes outside to the ground level. So you have space to do some plants outside and get some fresh air outside as well. From that area, you can see the front door. Now we're going to go left. Right inside here, we have the stackable washer and dryer and a linen closet, the coat closet or a vacuum cleaner can go in there. And right around here, we have the actual linen closet. That's the bedroom, which we'll show you momentarily. And then we have the sink, and commode, and the bathtub. And out of the bathroom, straight across from the kitchen, as you can see, we'll come into the bedroom. This is the single bedroom unit. This is presently a queen bed unit. You have plenty of room for a queen bed and some nightstands and a little bit of extra space. And a nice size walk-in closet with some shelves. And here's the bedroom view standing at the edge of the closet. And it too has sliding doors that go out to the same porch that we were looking at from the living room area. So we have that space there. Look forward to hearing from you for any questions. My number is available at the Learn More button below.